pretending to read the Financial Times outside the Sluice sex shop. Yeah. See this in Chuck Schweiss Productions. Oh yes, here I am again. Be one? No, have one. Or give her one. And it says, look, London, Sluice, Amsterdam, but no, not Sluice, but sluts. Oh yes, lots of sluts. Oh yes. Spank me now, look at that. Bad schoolgirl. Oh yes, you'll be in later for doing homework. Oh yes, lots of homework. Oh, you bad minx. Yes, you'll pass your exams all right, or I'll know the reason why. Yes. Oh yes, hot costumes. Want to join the police? Oh yes, I'll arrest you and put the handcuffs on you, you little minx. Oh yes, look at that. Now that's a school uniform if ever I saw one. Oh yes, I'll keep you in after class and you'll get your exams right, won't you? You'll pass first time. At least with 69%. You think you'll do okay in your exams? Oh, fuck me bollocks! Jesus Christ! There's no need to do that. Come on, Terrell. Where's your sense of humour? Bastard!